I'm like, oh, look at these guys. It's like two colored. Some leaves have really cool patterns on them.